a fish. Oh shit, get the net!
We're gonna.
Leave that, the other fish on there, get the net.
Can you take that too?
The fucking, oh man, the tongue. I gotta get this over, let that.
Who's all hung up in them?
Oh man. Woo! Yeah.
20 feet of water, but we got a mess. Okay. Get the boat lined out and moving forward.
Oh. Is it still going?
Yeah.
Right.
20 pounder.
You gonna?
Did it? I don't know how. Okay. You want me to release him or are you doing it?